Good morning. I want to share with you an online reading app that we have available for you at Washington County School District. If your student is one of our students, you will be able to access this at any time. You can use it on your computer, or you can also download the Sora Reading App on our App Store or your phone's App Store, and it is absolutely free. So first of all, you want to go to soraapp.com if you're on your desktop. And what you'll do is click, you'll want to click My School is Washington County School District. If this doesn't pop up, then down here at the bottom right here, Not Your School or Find Your School, you'll want to click that. But it's going to show up as Washington County School District. So we'll click on that. And then it's going to have us sign in using our Washington County School District Gmail account. So it's going to take me to this screen. I'm going to find my Gmail, which is right there. My password's already plugged in, and I am good to go to my home screen. Once I am here at my home screen, what I'm going to do is explore a little bit and find some books that I can use and check out at any time. So it'll bring up a list of books. Right now we're celebrating Women's History Month. We have over 90 books that you can actually look at and see, and this would be something that you could check out at any time. You get to keep the books for 5 weeks. You can also download the books, read a sample, or add it to a list. So if we click on this book and we want to borrow it, what will happen is the book will come open, and all you do to switch the pages is on your phone you will just kind of swipe right, and then on the computer you will just basically take it and swipe it as well with your mouse, depending on how you are using it. And you can also maneuver through different chapters as well. After getting out of the book, I took myself back to the home screen, and you'll see this button right here that shows collections. And this is where teachers and students can also access all different kinds of collections. But the one that I want to share with you, you can access anytime, and there are numerous amounts of books available for you at any time. You don't have to worry about holds. These are classics, and the classics will be available to anyone every single day, and again, you never have to worry about if there is a hold button. So maybe this will be something you can access in your downtime. Again, all you would do if you wanted to borrow it is to click the borrow button. When you do check out books on Sora, you can check out up to 5, and your checkout time period is a little bit longer. You have about 5 weeks, so that's really nice to know. One other addition, if you have a library card at the public library, you can add a public library here, and all you would do is type in Washington County, and the Washington County Library Services will come up, and then you'll have to put in your library card number, and that is it. So it's pretty amazing. There are so many books that are available for you, and so please use this resource. If you have questions, check with your school librarian, and we would be happy to help you. Have a great day.